local weather with the KX News Storm Team.
Welcome back, everybody. Just like yesterday, today we have an isolated severe storm, and it's one that just moved on in towards Golden Valley County here. It does look like it's actually dropped down in intensity just a little bit, with the heaviest part of the core now just over the beach area. Originally, it had been warned for ping pong size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds, but again, I would guess here that the intensity has come down a little bit. We'll continue to watch to see if it eventually does impact folks off towards the Medora area there. Did a little bit of research, wanted to show you this, again, putting the drought in perspective. Went through the years from January 1st to July 19th, took that time frame from January 1st to July 19th and looked at all the years going back to 1875 in Bismarck, and you'll notice that 2020 and 2021 are in the top 6 driest years when, again, you look at this time frame from January 1st to July 19th. Dickinson, it's been a little better, but the fact that if we look at Bismarck here, that the last 2 years are both in the top 6 of driest years, again, from this time frame. Pretty brutal here, and we'll post that on social media to get a better look at it. 100 degrees looks like what it'll go down as the high temperature here in Bismarck today, so another very hot day. Started down at 69 degrees. The record high was 108, so we weren't close to that today. There's Dickinson looking off towards the west from towards some of those storms incoming right now. 92 degrees. It's been windy as well. That's the other big story today. Southeast at 24 miles per hour. Temperatures still 97 degrees in Bismarck, 84 in Medina, 88 in Linton. You will notice it's been cooler across the Canadian border. 73, that's it in Crosby right now. 99 in Beach, that's one of our hottest temperatures, although I suspect that temperature will drop quite a bit here as that rain falls. Dew points, they've been up as well, still looking at dew points in the upper 50s, 60s, and 70s. So a lot of moisture, a lot of heat for these thunderstorms to work with. Once they go up, they tend to kind of munch on that fuel quickly, and that's why they get really strong out there. And if you look at these feels-like temperatures, it is pretty humid out there, and we're not really used to this here in North Dakota. Typically, we have a drier heat, but again, the humidity levels are quite high. Winds, they are quite strong as well, looking at winds out of the south and southeast, anywhere from about 15 to 20 miles per hour. There is a red flag warning out in eastern, an excessive heat warning in eastern Montana, a red flag warning in southwestern North Dakota. Go through those quickly, but again, you're looking at thunderstorms developing now right along the Montana border. We're going to watch these here over the next few hours. They do look to track into parts of central North Dakota here later tonight. They will most likely kind of lose some of their strength, but a good rain would be nice, and hopefully that'll happen. By Wednesday, tomorrow, we start to clear out here. Temperatures remain hot, but we'll start to see a drier northwesterly wind. So it will remain hot, but it won't be quite as humid, which will be nice. And it will be looking at a couple dry days ahead. Now, lows tonight, temperatures only dropping down into the 60s and 70s. Highs tomorrow, again, looking at temperatures well into the 90s. But right near the Canadian border, there's a little bit of a boundary there. So north of that boundary, temperatures will be slightly cooler. Dickinson, your 3-day forecast, temperatures in the mid-90s tomorrow, and then we're going to stay in the 90s through the rest of the week. Our next chance for rain does come late in the day on Thursday in towards Friday. We'll list the temperatures in the 90s, cooling back down to maybe 89 degrees on Friday. It'll feel like a cool down, and my not 7-day forecast temperatures in the 90s next couple days. Bismarck, we're flirting with the triple digits here. Again, maybe some rain lingering tomorrow morning with the next chance on Thursday evening and Friday.
You know it's hot when 89 is cool down.
Right.